Hello everybody, it's Jennifer Party. Just enjoy the feeling of nature for a little bit with me. Venus has gone direct. She went direct on Saturday night. She is conjunct Saturn, so there are some challenges there. In that her natural connection to Pisces, the beautiful, instinctive, relaxed flow of Pisces, is still bound up with some Saturn obligations and delays. Something you can do to help with this is to find regular practices that bring you home to your true nature. Ways to rest in stillness. Because contemplative practices actually do resonate with Saturn, as well as discipline, of course, but so meditation, slowing down, being in nature, finding ways to make your everyday enchanted.